add Visa gift card to Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add Visa gift card to your Google Pay account. So first of all, just simply open your Google Pay account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Google Pay account, and in order to add your Visa gift card to your Google Pay account, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen. And from there, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called Pay with Credit or Debit Card. Just simply click on Add. And after that, this page will open up where you can scan your Visa gift card in order to add your Visa gift card to your Google Pay account to make payment or add money into your account. And if you don't want to add your Visa gift card while scanning it, just simply get your Visa gift card number, the expiration code and CVC detail. And after that, just simply click on enter details manually from the bottom of the screen. And over here, just enter your Visa gift card details like your Visa gift card number, expiration date, CVC code and other details. And after that, just simply, and once you're done entering all these details, just simply click on, and after that your Visa gift card will be successfully added to your Google Pay account, and after that you will be able to use it. So that's how you will be able to add your Visa gift card to your Google Pay account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.